Hey, Assalamu alaikum, my dear respected and well wishers, brothers and sisters. Hope that you all are fit and fine. And Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And today, I'm going to talk you about my like, dislike, and my hobbies. So let's see how to talk with these topics. So I'm going to talk about my likes with three topics with three different things, that is food, color, and sports. So as for food, uh, I love all the Bangladeshi delicious food, especially for instance biryani. I love most beef and hilsa fish and all the Bangladeshi delicious food I love a lot, and sweet I love the most. On the other hand, I'm not a fan of junk food, fast food, and too much oily food because these food are unhealthy for our body. These food are harmful for our health, so that I always try to avoid these kinds of food. So that's all about my food habit. When it comes to the color, always I prefer white and black, but I like blue the most because you know that blue feels calm and peaceful as well, and black is the smart color, and white the symbol of peace, I can say. On the other hand, I'm not a big fan of bright yellow, deep red, and so on. So that's all about my color. If I talk about my favorite sports, my favorite game, then definitely my favorite game is football. I love to play football and also cricket and badminton as well, because these kinds of games actually it's really good for our health. So I love to play these kinds of outdoor game, and also there are some indoor game I love to play. For instance, I love to play carom board with my friends as an indoor game, and also chess, also ludo with my friends and family, because these games are mind game, I can say, and also this is the brain game, yeah. So that I love to play these kinds of games. So that's all about my sports that I like. If I talk about my okay, that have already completed, I wanted to talk about food, color, and sports, that is already completed. Now I'm going to talk about my hobbies. So actually I have many hobbies. My favorite hobby is reading book, because learning new things is my is my always favorite things that I love to do. And also when you read books, your world will be big. You can explore the world. You will be able to know many things. And yeah, actually learning has many opportunities. I can't explain it within a very short time. So reading has many opportunities. So I love to read a lot. Especially I love to read religious scriptures like the glorious book Holy Quran, Hadith, Bible, Mahabharata, Gita. Always I try to read these kinds of book because I love it. And also I love to read non-fiction book, like self-help books, like how to be motivate, how to be successful, how to be raised, how to be a good human being in your life. So these kinds of books actually calls non-fiction books, so I love to read these kinds of books. So nowadays I'm reading on books that is really mesmerized. The book name is Miracle Morning. It's really incredible books. But on the other hand, I'm not so a fan of a fictions book, story book, or these kinds of books. That's all about my reading habits. And also I have another hobbies, that is learning English. So learning English is one of my favorite hobby, and you know that English is an international language. So learning English has thousand of opportunities. If you can speak in English, if you understand English, in front of you there will thousand of open door will be open, and I love to communicate with foreign peoples. I love to learn their life, their cultures, their things and thoughts, their job, their works, their study system, all the things I love to learn. And that is why I love, and that is why, to know these kinds of things, definitely at first I need to learn English, to communicate with them, to collaborate with them. Definitely I have to speak in English, and I have to know how to speak in English, so that I love to learn English. And uh, one of my another hobbies, that is exercising. That I love to exercise, because always I try to stay active, I try to stay productive, I try to stay energetic, so that I have to do exercise. No, and exercise keeps me strong, energetic, and refreshment. And also I can say that exercise is not about looking good, it also about feeling good. So I love it. I love to exercise, whether it be running, walking, jogging, or going to gym, or pushing up. I love all that, all the things. So exercise is one of my favorite hobbies, and I want to continue exercise for many years, inshallah. So that's all about my hobbies and about my like and dislike that I have explained to you today. So my dear brothers and sisters, this is how actually you have to you can explain your like, dislike, your hobbies. And if you being if you being a beginner English learner, then you have to start with these kinds of basic topics. So if my videos if these videos will be helpful to you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and watch these videos 5 to 10 times, and then realize it, think about it, and try to make sentence with these topics. And then turn on your camera and make a videos like me, like about your like, dislike, hobbies. Explain it, try to speak about it. At first watch these videos 5 to 10 minutes. If you continuously do it for 2 months with 40 to 50 topics, then you will be surprised to see yourself. You'll be surprised, believe me. If you continuously do it for 2 months, just watch these kinds of videos, every videos watch 5 to 10 minutes, then think about it, make sentence on your own, and turn on your camera, then make a videos, and do it for 2 months. And after that, if no after completing 40 or 50 videos with different kinds of topics, then you will be confident a lot, and you will be surprised to see yourself, really, believe me. So do it on your own, and mind it that always believe in yourself, never give up, and dream big, and work hard, my dear brothers and sisters. So start from today, start from today. If you start tomorrow, tomorrow will be tomorrow for the forever, and if you start today, tomorrow you will be success. So start from now, start from today, and start it, do work, and every day tell yourself that day by day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. So thank you so much, my dear lovely brothers and sisters, for watching these full videos. So take care of yourself, do practice, and be skills. And if you have any questions about English, you can throw me on comment section, on comment box. I'll try to explain, I'll try to give answers of your questions, inshallah, as my level best. So pray for me, and assalamu alaikum, bye bye.